In front of me is Xiaomi 14 Ultra, and today I would like to show you how you can connect it using Bluetooth. Begin by accessing settings and tapping on Bluetooth. Then click on this switcher if it's not already on and wait for available devices to show. When they do, click on the one that you wish to connect to. Then select pair in the pop-up and wait for the other device to do the same. As you can see, my devices were successfully connected. To disconnect them, use this icon right next to your paired device. Hit unpair and wait. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!